You look like bacon.
Who the fuck is Get Frog? Put some respect on my name.
I respect it.
All right, what up though? It's me, Young Frog. God. All right, today we getting ready to go street riding. Me and my son. We gonna street ride all the way to the Long Beach Grand Prix. They drifting, they sliding, and we sliding on our bikes. Okay, so right now, we're in the back streets of the Grand Prix, trying to find a way to see the cars drifting. Can we see them? Where they at? Second ago. Where these boys at, man? Where they at? Oh yeah, we here, baby. Freaking toy, bro. That don't even look real. Supposed to be back here. Don't tell nobody. Hold on. Chill. Not so loud, bro. We gotta be quiet. Oh yeah, we got us a good spot. We got us a good spot, y'all boys. What they talking about? Yeah. Hey, yo, Cash. We did it, bro. Cash, we made it, bro.
Like the car was on fire.
All right, we're finna try to get even closer now, y'all boys. All right, we are much closer. Now we headed to Golden Days Bike Shop. We finna pull up on the homies. They got a fight party, and we getting ready to crash it. Oh, snaps, bruh. Go to McDonald's. All right, so I'm finna try some vegan. A vegan.
It's your boy Bobby Jefferson. Yes, sir. You already know. I am B Jefferson on Instagram. Add me. You already know.
This nigga Persian. He came out to the Purge music. Look.
He needed to make adjustments after that fight. Man, did he make them when he returned? And that performance
It's Purge. That nigga red. That nigga turning, he look like bacon.
Greatness is upon you. You better act like it.